Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inflin. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 Document Production for the year May-June 2022. These are some required source file. I have required source file here. Now come on task 1 evidence document. Open the file evidence.rtf. Now we open a file evidence.rtf. Here is evidence file. Click enter. Make sure that your name, center number and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Now we enter a name, center number and candidate number in the header of this document. Click insert, go to header, select blank 3 columns. Then enter your name, center number, candidate number. Then close the header. Save this document in your work area J2222 evidence followed by your candidate number. Now we save this document in our work area with the name J2222 evidence and followed by our candidate number. Click on file, go to save as, click on browser. Here is already entered J2222 evidence. Now we enter our candidate number 9999. Then select the suitable software. We select Word document. Click on Save. Now come on Task 2 document. You are going to edit a document for Tavera Adriatic Marine. The company use a corporation house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created, modified and applied as instructed. Open the file guide.rtf. Now we open a file guide.rtf. Here is guide.rtf file, click enter. Save this document in your work area in the format of the software you are using with the file name Tem Marines. Now we save this document in our work area with the name Tem Marines. Click on file, go to save as, click on browser. Now we enter here name Tem Marines. Then select a suitable software. We select Word document. Click on Save. Take a screenshot to show this file has been saved including evidence of the file type. Place this screenshot in your evidence document. Now we take a screenshot to show as a evidence in evidence document. Here is a file Tem Marines. Open a evidence file. This is our step 1 evidence. Now come on question 2. Place in the header your name, center number and candidate number right aligned. Now we place in the temp marines file. Click on insert, go to header. Select blank 3 columns. Remove left align, remove center aligned. Now we enter a name, center number and candidate number in right align. Name, center number, candidate number. Then close the header. Place in the footer automated page number center align. Now we place in footer automated page number in center align. Click on insert, go to footer. Select blank 3 columns. Remove left align, remove right align. Enter a page number in center align. Click on page number, current position, plain number. Then close the footer. Make sure that the header is right aligned to the page margin. The footer is center aligned between the page margin. No other text or placeholder are included in the header or footer area. Header and footer are displayed on all pages. Now look, these information modification are in correct way. Header and footer are able to see on all pages. Now come on question 3. Create the following paragraph style basing them on the default paragraph style. Temp subhead style name. Now we create a style. Click here. Create a style. Give a name. Temp subhead. Subhead. Click on modify. Font style serif. Font size should be 20. Alignment center. Font is already serif. Serif means Times New Roman. Font size should be 20. Center aligned. Enhancement bold and underline. Line spacing single. Spacing before 0. Spacing after 9. Now we adjust the enhancement. Underlined and bold. Click on format. Paragraph. Line spacing single. Spacing before 0. Spacing after 9. Then give OK. Style. Now we create one more style. Temp table. Serif style. Serif is font style. Create one more style. Create a style. Temp table. Temp table. Click on modify. Serif means Times New Roman. Then font font size should be 12. Center aligned bold. Center aligned. Enhancement is italic. Line spacing single. Spacing before 0, after also 0. Enhancement italic. Alignment center. Click on format. Go to paragraph. Line spacing single. After is 0. Before also 0. Then give OK. Take screenshot evidence to show the setting for the temp subhead paragraph style and place in this in your evidence document. Now we take a screenshot for temp subhead settings. Format paragraph. We take a screenshot to show the evidence. Give OK, then give OK. Open a evidence file, enter here, place here the screenshot. Now we come on question 4. Display the custom paragraph style names as a list in the paragraph style manager organizer. Take screenshot evidence for this list and place this in your evidence document. Now we take a style manager screenshot. Here is clearly able to see this style manager. Take a screenshot to show as evidence. Then place in your evidence document. This is our step 4 evidence. Now we place here. Now come on question 5. At the start of the document, enter the title Tavera Adriatic Marine. Now we enter this title in the starting of this document. Apply the temp title paragraph style for this text. Now we enter a title Tem Adriatic Marine. Tavera Adriatic Marine. Then style should be Tem title. Now come on question 6. Enter your name immediately after the subtitle edited by. Now we enter here name after the subtitle edited by. Now we enter a name here. The temp subtitle paragraph style has already been created and applied to this subtitle text. Modify the temp subtitle paragraph style so only the following formatting is applied. Now we do a modification in temp subtitle style. Here is temp subtitle. Click on modify. Font style should be sans serif. Font size 18. Alignment right. Enhancement italic. Sans serif means Arial. Enhancement italic and right alignment. Line spacing single. Spacing before 0. Spacing after 0. Click on format. Go to paragraph. Line spacing single. After is 0. Before also 0. Then give OK. Take a screenshot to show your evidence setting for the temp subtitle paragraph style and place this in your evidence document. Now we take a screenshot of the modification of temp subtitle style for to show in evidence document. Take a screenshot, give OK, open a file, evidence. This is our step 6 evidence. Now come on question 7. Select the subheading the Adriatic and the following text of the two and including the paragraph ending price list of each marine. Now we find the paragraph ending price list of each marine. Do Control F, enter here and find the Adriatic. The Adriatic is here, so select up to this paragraph. Price list for each marine. Then close this. Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in two columns of each width with a 2 centimeter spacing between them. Now we click on layout, columns, more columns, two columns. Spacing should be 2 centimeter. Equal width, then give OK. Now come on question 8. Apply arrow shade bulleted to the setting from boat repairing to and showering facilities. Now we select the bulleted and apply a arrow shade. Here is bulleted library. Applied the arrow. Make sure that the bullets are intended 1 centimeter from the left margin. Now we select the bullet, right click, click on paragraph. Left should be 1 centimeter. Indentation should be 1 centimeter margin. The list is in single line spacing with no space before and after each line. Line spacing should be single, before is 0 and after is also 0. Then give OK. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. Now we select this last item, give right click, click on paragraph. After this paragraph, 6 centimeter gap. Now come on question 9. Identify the 5 subheading in the document and apply the temp subhead paragraph style to each one. Now we apply the heading in temp subhead paragraph. Here is temp subhead. The Adriatic, breathing and restrictions amenities, prices. Now come on question 9. Import the image anchor.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning during the summer month. Now we import a image here during the summer month the weather. Insert, click on picture, this device. Here is a file, here is a picture, click insert. Crop the image to remove only the wave line below the anchor. Now we remove the wave, so crop this image up to wave. Here we remove the waves. Format the cropped image so that it is resized to a width of 3.5 centimeter with no distortion. Now we open a file. Here is a image. Format image. Right click. Do a right click. Size and position. Width up to 1.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Give OK. So it should be 3.5 centimeter width. It is aligned to the left of the column and top of the paragraph starting during the summer month. The text wraps around the image. Click on web text, square. Should be adjust in verb verb text. Now come on question 11. Locate the table in the document. Apply the temp table paragraph style to the table. Now we say find a table. Here is a table. Select this. It should be temp style should be temp table. Insert a new row as the first row of the table and enter the title support telephone numbers. Right click, click insert, insert the right row above. Enter here support telephone numbers. Format the first row of the table to be center aligned over the two columns. So the select the first row, two columns, right click, merge cell. It should be center aligned. Now come on question 14. Format the table so that all internal and external guidelines are displayed when printed. The border and all data fit within the column width. Select the table, border, all borders. There is a 6 point spacing after the table. Now we select the after the table heading, right click, paragraph. After means before, before the table. Give OK. So it should be after the table is 6 point gap. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. Then print the document. Save the document. Then print the document.